Knowing how to set margins, orientation, page size, print area, breaks, and print titles can make your printed Excel documents look professional and easy to read. Let's get started. First, let's talk about margins. Margins define the blank space around your spreadsheet on the printed page. To set them, go to the Page Layout tab and click Margins. You'll see preset options like normal, wide, or narrow, but you can also choose custom margins to set specific values for top, bottom, left, and right margins. Adjusting margins ensures your data isn't cut off and looks balanced on the page. Next is orientation. This controls whether your page prints vertically or horizontally. Under Page Layout right-pointing arrow orientation, you can choose portrait for vertical layouts or landscape for horizontal layouts. For wide spreadsheets with many columns, landscape orientation usually works best, while portrait is ideal for shorter, narrower sheets. Now, let's set the page size. Excel allows you to choose standard paper sizes like letter, A4, legal, and more under Page Layout right-pointing arrow size. Choosing the right size ensures your spreadsheet fits properly on the page and prevents awkward cutoffs or blank spaces when printing. The print area is very useful. Instead of printing the entire worksheet, you can print only the part you need. Simply select the range of cells you want to print, then go to Page Layout right-pointing arrow print area right-pointing arrow set print area. If you need to add more sections later, you can use Add to Print Area. To clear it, click Clear Print Area. This saves paper and focuses your printed report on important data. Page breaks are a powerful tool in Excel that control exactly where a new page begins in your printout. This is especially important for large spreadsheets with many rows and columns, where data could otherwise be cut off in awkward places. To view or adjust page breaks, go to View right-pointing arrow Page Break Preview. In this view, you'll notice dashed blue lines indicating automatic page breaks set by Excel and solid blue lines representing manual page breaks that you can adjust yourself. You can simply click and drag the solid lines to move them, ensuring that important data stays together and that each page starts and ends exactly where you want. This feature allows you to maintain the readability and flow of your printed spreadsheet, preventing partial rows or columns from being split across pages. Print titles are another essential feature that ensures your headers remain visible on every page of a multi-page printout. For example, if you have column headers for categories like name, age, or score, you can make these headers repeat on each printed page so users always know what each column represents. To set this up, go to Page Layout right-pointing arrow Print Titles, and under Rows to Repeat at top, select the rows containing your headers. If your spreadsheet is very wide and you want certain columns to repeat on the left side of each page, you can also use columns to repeat at left. This makes your printed sheets much easier to read, especially for reports or tables that span multiple pages. By mastering page breaks and print titles, you gain full control over how your spreadsheet looks on paper. Combined with margins, orientation, page size, and print area, these settings ensure your printouts are clean, professional, and visually balanced. Take time to explore these features. They help you avoid wasted paper, improve readability, and create polished, easy-to-follow reports. Always remember to check your setup using Print Preview before printing. This lets you see exactly how your pages will appear, make any last-minute adjustments, and ensure nothing important is cut off. It's a simple step that saves both time and frustration.